In this video, we're going to talk about how to install a virtual private network or a VPN into your browser using Touch VPN. So let's start installing the VPN. First up, you need to go to this link. It is provided in the description part of this video. You just click on Add to Chrome. And after that, you just need to click Add Extension. It's going to be checking for maybe 20 to 30 seconds. Just wait for it. And there you have it. As you can see, Touch VPN has been added to your Chrome. For you to use this, simple, just click on this icon that says extension. Click on Touch VPN and simply connect. It will give you the best choice of servers to connect to. But if you want to change this, just click on this button right here. And you're going to be given choices whether you want to go with Germany. If you have students from Russia, you can choose this server right here. But if it's in Poland or from another country, just go on best choice and connect to it. And that's it. You're now connected to a VPN. Now to stop it, just click on the stop button right here. And it's done. Now to simply remove the VPN from your Chrome browser, you just simply go back to the link provided in the description part of this video. And you're going to see a different button now. Instead of install, you're going to see remove from Chrome. Click on that button and that's it. The VPN will be removed as an extension on your Chrome.